Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video is going to be another unboxing video, and for today's model is going to be the Nissan Skyline R34 V Spec II Nur edition, and it comes in the millennium jade color. Also, this model comes with the BBS rims, so I'm really excited for this one, for the re-release of this model from Autoart. Some of you may know that they have already released this model way back in diecast form. They released many versions of it and colors. So now they decided to re-release it, but now it's in the composite model, which is obviously 90% plastic of the model itself, so it's going to be lighter, but supposedly it's going to be more detailed from the previous one that they released. So we'll see. Maybe I'll do a little bit of comparison for the from the old diecast and the composite one in another video. But for now, it's just going to be an unboxing and like a first impression of the model itself. And for sure, a lot of Autoart fans are going to be 50-50 on this, because they already have released R34 and now they have a new version of it. So, but some also are happy, because the ones who don't have those old diecasts, and if you try to buy them now, it's gonna be the prices are off the roof. So some are happy that they could have their hands on the R34, and also with the ones, let's say you're missing one or two of the versions. Like me, I don't have the Nur edition yet, and in the millennium jade color. So I'm pretty happy that at least I can fill up my collection now with this new release from Autoart, that I don't have to pay crazy price for the old diecast ones. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking, and we're gonna start the unboxing right now. Let's go. Well, there she is, guys. The new version of the R34 Nissan Skyline from Autoart, which is in composite form, composite model. Like I said, it's mostly plastic, but let me just tell you that first impression upon opening it is when I saw it, it looked like a die-cast model for me from the old version, and you cannot really feel or see the difference until you start opening stuff like the trunk, the hood, and the doors, that it is plastic. So, but I can tell you right now that there is some difference, a lot of difference from the old die-cast one. Just by looking at the engine bay right here, I can see there's a lot of more detailed stuff in there. Also the interior, can't really show you right now, but yeah, I'm gonna do a separate video comparing the two, from the old die-cast one to this one, so that we can really see the difference of what Autoart made from both models. So far I'm really happy with it. I like the color, millennium jade. Like I said, I don't have this one, so I'm really happy that now it fills the hole in my collection for this version. And I also like it that I have it in the BBS rims, because it also comes with the this version also comes with the regular rims for the R34, but as you can see, it looks better with the BBS rims. And I'm not sure if it's limited edition for the BBS rims, but I don't see much on sale right now, so I don't know if it's limited or yeah. They also came out with the Bayside blue color for this version, and that one also comes with the BBS rims. So yeah, to sum it up, I'm pretty happy with this model. First impression, and like I said, at least now I have this version in my collection. And I'm gonna do a separate video for like a closer look on the model itself, like I do on my other models. So stay tuned with that. And if you have any questions, any comments, just let me know. What do you think about this model, and if you already have one, what do you think of it? And yes, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell, so that if I have another unboxing, you guys can see it. And yeah, there she is, guys. Thank you for watching. Till next time, bye.